Welcome to UFC Fight Night 54 from Halifax, Canada, Saturday, October 4th, 2014. We have a fight on the main card of Ellis the Spartan Theodoros versus Bruno Caroca Santos. I'm not sure if I said his nickname wrong or not. Sorry if I butchered it. I gave it a shot. Caraco. Anyways, this is going to be a really cool fight. This is a prediction video on Colonel Jack's Destination. I'm Colonel Jack, this big dog Jimmy. So, Eliza, the Spartan, he is 9-0, perfect in his MMA career. Bruno has suffered one loss on his MMA career. He's 14 wins and one loss. So, this is going to be a very cool fight. I'm looking forward to the Spartan fighting Bruno. I'm going, Ellis, the Spartan, he's from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. He's 26, 6'1". Bruno is 27, 5'9". He is from Brazil, and this is going to be a very cool fight. I'm very at odds at who to pick. It's very tough to decide. Bruno, one win by KO, one by submission, has gone the distance 13 times, last 11 wins by decision. That's pretty crazy. He likes to go the distance. He can go the distance. We can see that. The Spartan, he 5 wins by KO, 1 by submission, 2 first-round finishes. And he won the Ultimate Fighter Nations finale in his weight class. So, I'm expecting to see the Spartan win. I'm going with the Spartan. I think he's going to go to 10-0. And Bruno, unfortunately, he's going to be 14-2. Big Dog Jimmy disagrees with me. He thinks that Bruno's going to win. He keeps on going against me. We have not one time yet been able to see eye to eye and pick the same fighter. I don't know why. He just likes, it just seems like he just likes to go against me in every fight. I don't know what it is with him, but it just seems that way. I don't know. He's supposed to be my best friend, or he's supposed to have my back like that. Yeah, I know. I know when that squirrel was chasing after me in the backyard, you went after him and you got him to leave me alone. Yeah, I know. Yeah, there was like 20 of them chasing after me. No, it wasn't just one. I'm not overreacting. There was a bunch of them. So, anyways, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. If you're going with the Spartan, leave me a comment, Colonel Jack. If you're going with Big Dog Jimmy, leave him a comment and let him know you're supporting him and Bruno. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share the video. Subscribe to support the destination.